My name's Shane, and this is my Mark IV Astra GSI Turbo. I've had the car since 2012, and I've done a lot to it since then. It used to be an everyday car. It's only since the last 2 years I've stopped using it as an everyday car after it's developed like twice its power. Manufacturally, they ran about 210 brake horse, and this now is 427. The car itself, there's a few stone chips on it. When I bought it, I paid £4,000 for it back in 2012. I did clock a lot of mileage up in it. Since then it had about 92,000 on it. It's got 181,000 on it now. So yeah, I've done quite a bit of mileage in it. Paintwork. When I bought the car, it had a few little minor dents and scratches, and I decided to, after getting this big power out of the car, I thought I'd tidy up the external, which is all the paintwork, the Arden blue paintwork. Yeah, I painted the car myself once or twice, but our painters don't like the silicone. It did react a few times on the bonnet, but managed to flatten it back and get it to where I want it to be. Before this Mark IV Astra G, I also had a four-door version, and I replicated it into a GSI. And then I thought, by then, I'm fed up with being bullied for a replicated GSI, so I wanted a genuine one, and it was always an Arden blue one, because if you see the Arden blue, you know what it is. And I bought the car for to be like an everyday car, and it didn't work out like that. I've got a previous show car, which is a BMW, and then I ended up getting carried away modifying this one, and it also turned into a show car as well. So yeah, I've had to buy another everyday vehicle. I did have the previous Z20 LET engine in there with a GTX 20 turbo on it. Was doing a track day with it and ended up losing a little bit of power, and then it blew a bit of smoke out. As in most turbo cars, you have the famous obsession of looking at the rear view mirror to see if it's burning oil or it's blown the turbo. It blew a hole straight through number 3 piston, so then that's when I went down the LEH route instead of the LET. Also, your LEHs have got forged pistons and oil squirters, which is a big bonus for running big power. The whole idea of the Mark IV Astra was because when I went to go look at the other BMW, my dad was always hiring Mark IV Astras when they were brand new. He liked them, so then I thought, I'll get one, but I didn't know anything about the Astra GSI until one day I was going along the motorway with my own Astra, and I seen this blue thing fly past with smoke flying out the exhaust, and I thought, what is that? And I didn't actually know that the Vauxhall manufactured a blue shouty version of what the other Astras were. So then I thought, I want to get one of them, and quite hard to find a decent one, but I got this one and made it my own.